So, guys, guess what time it is? 1 a.m. So, good morning, 6th grade. How are ya? All right. I obviously cannot be there today. Not a big deal, okay? I'm sitting at home, sleeping until 8 o'clock in the morning. You guys are at school. Just kidding. I'm not sleeping until 8 in the morning. All right. So, listen, Thursday, we're going to have a test on Chapter 6, all right? Do not worry about this. You guys know this stuff. I'm going to go over exactly what you need to know, and you will do fantastic, okay? First thing, all right, is you see this packet. It says Guided Reading 6-3. You see that? Good. This packet on the back has vocabulary. And then at the bottom of the other page, it says page 25. There's vocabulary right at the top here. Okay? See that? Vocabulary right at the top, page 25. And then this other vocabulary on page 24. See right here? Page 24 and 25, there's vocabulary. That is something that you would need to know. Very simple. So stuff like amendments, cabinet, constitution, Megapolis, let's see, Underground Railroad, stuff like, don't worry about jazz. I'm not going to ask you about jazz, all right? But page 24, 25, the vocabulary, you should know that stuff, all right? The second thing you should know, I gave you a little it's this sheet, all right, with 17 questions on it. It says 6th grade social studies, right there. 17 questions, all right? We went over this class, we corrected it. You should have this, all right? You should know this stuff. It goes over basically the United States government and the different branches. So executive, judicial, legislative, who's in the legislative branch. We have the House of Representatives, we have the Senate, 2 senators to each state, 100 senators. Who's in the executive branch, right? President, vice president, the cabinet. So that stuff you should know, okay? It's all on these 17 questions. And you guys did great with this. I think you're fine. Honestly, I don't remember anybody having any issues with this, really. So we went over in class, we corrected it. You should have the correct answers on your papers. Okay. Third thing, it says at the very top here, Geography, Chapter 6. See right there? Yep. It has 28 questions on it, right? The first question says, population of the United States and Canada are located, B, along the coast and waterways. The last question is, who is the President of the United States? Currently, it is still President Donald Trump, right? So you should have this packet, okay? Now, we went over and corrected this in class as well, so you should have the correct answers on here, all right? Now, if you look at it, I don't know if you noticed this, but it was multiple choice, and there was a few fill-ins. In fact, it seemed to me that this packet was set up kind of like a test. Interesting, right? But know this stuff, all right? Cash and Hector, you guys were not there when I handed these back. Actually, I corrected these for you guys, didn't I? That's right. So you should have the correct answers, and we did go over them in class, I think. But Cash and Hector, I scanned and I sent to you I sent your packets to you. But for any reason, anybody, if you don't have them, email me. I will send you those packets, okay? But you should have them. You should have all the correct answers with them. Should not be an issue. Other than that, that is it. So, real quick recap. Ready? Vocab. All right? Know the vocab from the sheet. From this packet, I mean. Know the vocab. It's simple. This one with 17 questions on it about the American governmental system. Know that. This one with 28 questions, set up kind of like a test. Know this, okay? That's it. with the remainder of this time, maybe who's over the sub, you guys can play some sort of a game where he asks or she asks questions, and you guys answer, and you know, you get points and whatnot. And that actually, here's the thing. I know the game you guys can play. It can be 6th grade versus Cash. So everybody on one team, Cash by himself, and that can be the game. And we'll see who wins. I won't be there to referee this, but it would have been fun. All right, good luck, guys. Don't worry about it. You know it. It will be fine, and I will see you on Thursday. All right? Bye-bye.